Just lift the box off the skid and it is almost ready to use. Welcome to Howdy Reviews. We are taking a super quick look at the GEARWRENCH GSX rolling tool cabinet. The 26-inch size is great for my garage, but there are larger ones and additional components and accessories available. These drawers are 23 inches wide and 15 deep, with two at 2.5 inches high, one at 3.3 high, one at 6.1 high, and one at 9.7 high. The cabinet is 20 gauge steel. The parts for assembly are in the bottom drawer. These are beefy casters, 5 inches high by 2 inches wide. 2 are swivel locking and 2 are fixed. The cap screws and a wrench are included. I started by installing the casters. Swivel casters on the side I was putting the handle, fixed casters on the other side. The handle can go on either side. I finger tightened the cap screws as they were too close to the casters for a regular 1/2-inch socket, then snug with the included wrench. Upright again, I installed the 4 cap screws in the handle. I think it is easier to maneuver with the swivel casters on the handle side. 5 drawers with different depths and a cylinder lock secures them all. A foam rubber pad is included for the worktop and for each of the 5 drawers. The 2 swivel casters lock so the cabinet doesn't wander away. The drawers roll smooth and easy. They can be removed if needed, and each drawer has a handle latch to keep it closed until you want it open. Weight capacity is 100 pounds per drawer. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, click the thumbs up and subscribe to see what else we may get up to. Here are a couple other videos.